Tropical Storm Erin is currently gaining strength, and over the course of the next 24 hours, it should turn into our first hurricane of the season. And over the weekend, it should intensify into a Category 2 hurricane as it passes north of the Leeward Islands. And then eventually on Sunday, strengthening to a Category 3 hurricane as it curves towards the north. Now, in terms of what the path will be after this curve, well, the majority of the Euro ensembles has this storm missing the continental United States. We do have one singular outlier that has Erin impacting the Carolinas. The GFS has a little bit more of these outliers that has the storm nudged a little bit more towards the west, closer to the coastline. But in terms of the overall majority of the models, it has Erin missing the United States and getting closer to the island of Bermuda. So for central Georgia, we are not expecting any impacts from Erin. Now, there is one other area of development that the National Hurricane Center is monitoring. It's this area in the Bay of Campeche. It has a 20% chance of development in the next 2 days and a 20% chance of development in the next 7 days. And it's all due to a tropical disturbance within an area that's favorable for more development. However, it is likely that this disturbance could turn into a low-end tropical depression or something even weaker than that and bring higher rain chances towards the Texas coastline.